This is Village Auto's 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with the stone go rear seats. Very clean local trade. The power rear liftgate, rear wiper, rear frost, dual power sliding doors, alloy wheels with 4 light new tires, privacy glass. Very well maintained van. This one does come equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $10,770. Let's get inside here for you. Like I said before, dual power sliding doors, stone go rear seats. Do have the cloth interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You also have the rear heat and AC controls. Of course, they have full power options, power driver side seat, AM/FM CD player with the MP3 capability and the auxiliary input, dual climate control, active eco, stability track, steering wheel cruise control along with the info controls. You also have the steering wheel audio controls. All together very clean, very well maintained van that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT home with you today.